I'm not going to give it to you guys. Nice! And I got this on the way here. It's pretty. It has fluffy sound to it. Smell it. Hold on, guys. They'll record me. Bye, guys. I got all this caught for you guys. And enjoy your video.